Now, how to find the perpendicular distance of a given point from a given straight line? Now, in this figure, what type of question we can have? Now, we are having an equation of this line and a given point. Now, suppose we have to find a given point, then coordinates of point M will be given. Okay, so like this, let's see how to use the concept. Now, let the equation of a line be x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon M, z minus z1 upon N, and given point P alpha beta gamma. Coordinates of the given point P is alpha beta and gamma. Now, step 1. Step 1 is put the given equation equals to lambda. Then what the coordinates will be? X minus x1 upon L is equal to y minus y1 upon M is equal to z minus z1 upon N is equal to lambda. Step number 2. Step 2 is to find the coordinates of point M. Now, find coordinates of point M. Now, how to find coordinates of point M? We have already done this topic. So, coordinates of point M will be now, we have to write it x minus x1 upon L is equal to lambda. Okay. Then, coordinates of point M will be L lambda plus x1, M lambda plus y1, N lambda plus z1. These are the coordinates of point M. Now, let me explain you once more. It will be x minus x1 upon L is equal to lambda, and value of x. What the value of x is? X is equal to L lambda, and this shifts to this side plus x1. So, like this we can get value for x, y and z. Okay. So, this we have already done it now. So, we have got now in the step 2 we have find the coordinates of point M. Now, step 3. Step 3 is find direction ratios of MP. Now, direction ratios of MP. Now, coordinates of M we got it, coordinates of P we got it. So, what the direction ratios will be? Direction ratios will be now L lambda plus x1 minus alpha, N lambda plus y1 minus beta, and N lambda plus z1 minus gamma. So, these are the direction ratios. Now, step number 4. It is already mentioned that we are going to find perpendicular distance, and PM is perpendicular on AB. Okay. Now, PM is perpendicular on AB. Therefore, now what we can use it? Direction ratios with the help of direction ratios, it was A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Now this we are going to use it. Okay, so this will become now L with L lambda plus x1 minus alpha plus m with m lambda plus y1 minus beta plus n with n lambda plus z1 minus gamma is equal to 0. Now the thing is, point coordinates for point P, alpha, beta and gamma are already given to you. x1, y1, z1 is already given to you. Direction ratio, direction cosines L, M and N are also with you. So we can easily solve it. Okay. Now step number 5. On solving, step 4, we will get value of lambda. Then step 6. Now step 6 is to find coordinates of point M. Now put value of lambda in step 2 to get coordinates of point M. Step 7. Now we are getting coordinates of point M also, coordinates of point P also. So point P and point M, both the coordinates we are having. Now we can use distance formula. Using distance formula, find MP. So these are all the steps which we are going to follow for the